So, with the door panel off, we got these big ass 6x9/6x5s. I don't care for them, but let's see what they are. We're gonna take out the speakers, and we're gonna throw all these screws off and whip it. And here we go. Now, I'm not changing them. Come on. Come on. There you go. Pretty much pressure fit, but look at this. Complete garbage. So, I would love to know if they have direct replacements. I know Rockford, maybe I'll try to find them. Rockford had these systems that would replace direct replacement. All you gotta do is unplug it here, but if it were me, this thing would be my bracket, and I would break all of this out. All of it. Complete garbage. This is the speaker. Complete trash. And I would use this as the bracket and get rid of this guy. Completely remove it. Destroying it, yes, destroying it. But I'm not going to do it because this is not what the point of the video is. This is just removal. So, there's a little clip right here that sort of guides it back in. But that's what I would do. I'll see if I can get the description or a link in the description to see if we can replace them. But let me put these guys back and move on to the mirror. So, like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.